Hey up everyone, I'm back again. I just wanted to post a quick video of the PhoeniX ROM version 9 for the Galaxy S4, which comes with the Samsung Galaxy S5 ROM, which is the official stock ROM in the UK. Which gives you a whole load of nice Galaxy S5 features, such as download booster, air wake up, ultra power saving mode, and other stuff. And I have to say that I'm quite impressed with it. It's certainly given the S4 a new lease of life, which I think that it desperately needed. As I've said in some other videos, I think that the old TouchWiz look in regards to how the notification area looked was starting to get a bit stale. But as you can see, this has the Galaxy S5 notification area along with the Galaxy S5 settings screen. You can actually still use the old settings if you want, however, that's still on there. But you do get all of the niceties you'd get from the S5, such as, if I just show you, the download booster, which I don't have SIM in it at the moment, so I can't show you working, but it's very useful to quickly download stuff which is over 30 megabytes, and that's probably one of the best features on the Galaxy S5, which I think has just come out on the Note 3 as well via an official update. Other features include the Galaxy S5 lock screen, which makes nice noise. I think just in general the performance of the ROM is a lot smoother than the stock S4 ROM, which was known to lag in quite a lot of places, which was quite annoying for saying it was a quad-core device. But I've not found any performance issues using this ROM now. I don't know if you can remember, but when you'd open something like Maps, it would actually lag as it opened. But as you can see, that's very silky smooth. I think that the performance improvements that the ROM brings, such as all these fancy types of terms, such as zip-aligned and ODEX and whatever else, I don't know what they mean, to be absolutely honest, but they certainly make the experience a lot smoother and a lot more premium feeling. It does have the S5 browser as well, which is a nice touch. As you can see, the browser looks a lot different in terms of how you open up new pages, etc. I think it is a bit nicer on the eyes than the old one, which was a bit stale. It does have the power saving mode as well, so we can have a look at that, see if it does the same thing in regards to making everything grayscale. Is it under this? And then on. So it takes a bit of time to come on, but as you can see, you can still make calls on it, which is nice. You can still browse the internet as well, which is nice. and it does give you an estimated amount of juice left. Apparently on the S5, if you're in ultra power saving mode, it can go on for about 24 hours or something on from 10%, or is it 2 weeks? I think it's 2 weeks actually, which is simply incredible. So definitely a mode that you want to put on if you are not next to a power socket anytime soon. Other than that, you have some other stuff such as S5 baby monitor, but I don't have a baby, so that's not really relevant to me. There's something called Air Wake Up, which to be absolutely honest, I'm not really sure what that does. So I wonder if it's in the settings somewhere. To be honest, I'm not really a big user of the gestures that you can get on the Galaxy devices, but as you can see, I've got them all turned off, which it's probably a shame that I don't really use them as much as I should do, but I just like to touch the device at the end of the day, you know. I'm sure it's buried in there somewhere, but it doesn't jump out at me. You do get this screen as well on the left, which is going into the calculator for some reason. Not sure why that is. Maybe I've set it as a default kind of activity to do. But yeah, at the start of the video it did go into that, and I probably clicked something, that's why it's going into that. But I think you can map an activity such as the S5 My Magazine panel, which comes up, which is a bit like Blink Feed on the HTC One. You also get some nice additions such as the music player from the S5, which is very nice. It comes with all the nice optimizations that you're used to, such as adapt sound, as well as sound alive, so you can make it look like it's sound like it's in a cafe or a concert hall, which is very nice. You get the Memo as well from the S5, which you can probably get to from somewhere within the app drawer. There it is. It's not this one. This one. So you can quickly create a memo. Obviously it'd be nicer with a pen, but I don't think most Galaxy S4 users have a pen, so but as you did see there, there is also S Note, which is a very nice application, which I think comes from the Note line of phones as well. So as you can see, that's quite nice for if you're in a hurry, you just want to write something down. Also comes with car mode as well, so if you're in your car you can switch that on, and it should optimize the experience for being in a car, but I can't seem to see it. It's probably buried somewhere in the settings. But it is nice to have if you know where it is. There's all sorts of other stuff there as well, such as like the S5 boot animation, as well as the S5 keyboard, which is nice. You can also set some mods as well, based upon the PhoeniX ROM. using the PhoeniX Extra, which is quite nice. I've not actually done any myself because I'm quite happy with the performance as it is, but it is nice that you do get to go into the CPU settings and things like that. So yeah, I'm quite happy with this ROM. I think that it's very stable. I've not found any bugs or anything with it, and I think you should definitely check it out. It's from the usual place on XDA. It's called the PhoeniX ROM version 9.3, and it's an excellent piece of software to keep your Galaxy S4 going. So yeah, that's just been a quick look at the PhoeniX ROM, which is on the Galaxy S4. It turns your Galaxy S4 into a Galaxy S4.5. I hope you found the video informative, and I'll see you next time. Cheers!